So just a quick video on this Airbrick. It's a vent fan for poor circulation. I live in an older building, and so the air doesn't circulate as well as I'd like. It's been nearly 115 degrees all summer, and I was super excited to get this, but it's too small. I could not believe it. This is really small. I didn't realize that. I don't know. This is much smaller than I expected. It's probably going to fit in my bathroom. Here, let me show you. So this right here is my old vent, and the hole where the air comes out, it won't even fit. It just won't fit. But again, like I said, I think the one in my bathroom is smaller. So if you're looking at this, just know that this is quite small. Let me see. So I always do the water bottle test to show how large something is. This is about as large as the vent is. So just keep that in mind if you're looking at this. If the people who created this are watching, if there was almost like an accordion or something to make this wider and longer on each side, that would be perfect so that I could fit all vents. Just keep that in mind. And there you have it.
Looks really solid. Nice here, and the most important thing now, it has extended cord. I don't know, I was able to put it in my vent as remote as well. So Pretty nice packaging, by the way. But yeah, since